Limbitless Solutions and our colleagues at Stratasys are collaborating on a global scale to produce these face shields and then provide them to hospitals in need. I am Dominique Corbin, one of the co-founders at Limbitless Solutions. We 3D print bionic arms for children in need, and we donate them at no cost to their families. We realized that there was a mass shortage of personal protective equipment at hospitals within the United States and internationally. We reached out to our corporate sponsor and our partner, Stratasys, and they were actually creating a network of printers and devices that they had already had approved. And so we kind of signed up and started printing those devices immediately. We're producing the face shield, which commercially would be a device like this that kind of goes over your head and protects you from, again, any environmental hazard. And the part that we're producing is kind of a similar device. So we produce this 3D printed portion here that hospitals can then use rubber bands and kind of a 3-hole punched sheet of plastic that then provides a similar level of protection. At Limbitless Solutions, a lot of what we do is really connect to our users. So we provide custom 3D printed bionic arms, and that really connects with the children. So when we had this opportunity to produce these face masks, we wanted to kind of customize our message and really thank the hospitals and the staff that they were going to. So we added small messages of thank you and hope and love in a very subtle way to just thank, again, the community that is helping so much in this time of need.